I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna do another get it all done type of video. There's gonna be cleaning, we gotta run to the store and get some groceries, so there'll be a grocery haul, and we just have some stuff to do today, so I figured that I would bring you guys along with me. We are getting ready to go to Aldi to get some groceries, and then when I come home I will do a quick grocery haul, and then we have to go pick up Barrett. He spent the night at his grandparents' house, so it is time to go get him as well. So that is what I'm going to do right now, and then when we get home from all of that I will start some cleaning.
Be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch. Baby, I so stay. I don't mind a little crazy. But baby, I so stay.
Alright, so this is everything that we picked up from the store today. I spent, I think it was like $67 or something like that. So we're gonna start over here. We just have some coffee, these Nutri-Grain bars, my son loves these, some drinkable yogurts for them, some spaghetti sauce because we're doing spaghetti one night this week, and then I have diced tomatoes, tomato sauce, and kidney beans and beef broth, all for some chili, a pizza for this weekend for lunch or something quick, and then I have these fruit cups and gel for the kids to snack on, bananas, apples, those are a staple in our house, some lunch meat for my husband, some cheese because we're going to be doing hamburgers one night this week, some yogurt for myself, some pretzels, macaroni and cheese, milk, bacon for this weekend, and then I have ground beef both for the chili and then for the hamburgers, cat food because we were running low, some eggs, bagels, hamburger buns, garlic knots. I made lasagna for Christmas dinner and we have a ton of meat sauce left over, so I was just gonna make spaghetti quickly tonight, and that way we have some rolls to go with it and it's just a nice easy meal. And then I have some mini muffins for the kids, and that is everything that we picked up from the store today. Okay, so before we move into the video even more, I wanted to talk with you guys about a deodorant company that I recently switched to and that I have been loving. I have switched to the brand Native for deodorant. I'm sure you guys have heard of them before here on YouTube, and you guys know that I recently switched all of my cleaning products to a more natural cleaning product, and I have just been slowly trying to move our life to a more natural lifestyle, and I figured it would be really good to start looking into products that are better for my skin and for my health. And so I was really excited when Native reached out to work with me because I had heard of their deodorants before and I've always been intrigued by them, so I am really excited to be working with them for today's video. Native's deodorants are vegan and cruelty free, and their ingredients are aluminum, paraben, and sulfate free products. And what I love about their ingredients with their deodorants also is they are things that I'm familiar with, like coconut oil and shea butter, and just things that I know are safe for my body. I also love that their deodorants aren't sticky, they're not powdery either, they go on really smooth, and the smell and scents of the deodorant last all day for me, and they have so many different scents for you to choose from, which I also love. Now I got 3 scents from them. I have the coconut and vanilla. I also have the cucumber and mint. And then I have the lavender and rose. And I'd have to say the lavender and rose is my favorite scent but I also just really love the way that lavender smells, so that is why this is my favorite one. But if I'm being honest, they all smell really great. They all last a really long time, and I love that I have 3 different scents to choose from. It's like a perfume for my underarms, and I just love having the choice of what scent that I'm going to be using that day. Now, 3 of their deodorants are usually $36, but with my link and my code WhitneyP, you will get them for $24, so that is 33% off of the original price. I have been really loving Native's deodorant. I've enjoyed the switch to a more natural product, so if you guys are interested in learning more or want more information, I will leave all of that information down below. So we are home now. I picked Barrett up from his grandparents' house, and I have some cleaning to do. Now, it is only the 28th when I'm filming this video, but you guys will not see this until the new year. So right now it's only a few days after Christmas, and our bedroom is trashed. So I really want to get up there and get everything put back into place. And then I think I'm gonna clean out my car because it is pretty bad, honestly, and it's kind of warm outside. I want to take advantage of the warmer weather before it gets back to being in the 20s. And yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I am gonna start in our bedroom, and then we will go from there. All right, so you guys can see our room is kind of a mess. It's not as bad as I let it on to be, but you know, we just have some things that I need to put away from our stockings and stuff. And then I really want to wash our duvet cover. That is my goal for today because it has been about a month since I washed it, and it is time. So we are just gonna get this all straightened up, and then I will move that into the washer, and we will move on to the rest of the video.
It's not about our love ending. You know it's not about us. 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 I think I'm arsenic, but you don't mind that I'm toxic. Somehow you're fine with it, even when I'm chaotic. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flame's going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you. You know it's not about our love.
So once I am done kind of picking up the room, I am just going to take my duvet cover off of here so that I can throw it into the washer, and then I'm actually going to move on to cleaning out my car.
You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us.
So now we are going to clean out my car, and if I'm being honest, my car looks like this all the time. This is actually really not that bad for me. So I am just going to quickly go through. I'm going to pick up all of the trash, and then I am going to get all of the stuff that doesn't belong in the car out. I will also give my dashboard a quick wipe down and get all of the dust off of there, and then I will vacuum my car as well. Now, I'm not going to get all crazy in this video, but I just give it a quick little vacuum, get the majority of the crumbs off of the floor, and just get my car back in order.
Wait a second.
All right, so now I'm gonna quickly straighten up the kitchen here, have some dishes and just some trash and stuff that needs to get put away. So I'm gonna do that really quickly, and then I have some laundry to fold.
Wait a second. I wanna stay up late with my heart in your head. Maybe stay too much 'cause you don't.
Now in the kitchen, you're just gonna see me quickly pick everything up off the countertops, and then I will move in and do some dishes and get those going and nice and clean.
Sometimes I might be a bit selfish when you're way too humble. Might be overzealous, getting you in trouble. 'Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster, or just the best you've ever had. Or just the best you've ever had. 'Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a
I'm also going to wash my sink, and the first thing that I'm gonna do is wash it out with some dish soap really quickly, and then I will use this Mrs. Meyer's baking soda scrub to kind of polish out the sink and just give it that nice finishing touch.
second waiting for something better. Wait a second. I wanna stay up late with my heart in your hand. Maybe stay too much 'cause you don't understand. You got me gone. You don't understand. You got me gone. But sometimes I might be a bit selfish when you're way too humble. Might be overzealous.
Now I'm just gonna go through and wipe down the counters really quickly and get everything nice and clean, and then I will move over to our kitchen table and do the same thing.
Or just the best you've ever had. 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 'Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster, or just the best you've ever had. Looking back at the good.
And then here I am just gonna quickly vacuum. I have been really loving my Dyson lately again because I got new filters, and I just feel like it is a brand new vacuum all over again, and that will actually finish off the cleaning in the kitchen. But once I am done with that, I did have 2 loads of laundry to fold, so that is what I'm gonna work on here and get all of that done and put away in my room.
Everything that we could have been, but I know you're my liability. Yeah, I know you're my You say that you're sorry. We turn the page and make up. A broken trust got you haunted. To doubting you was enough. To leave me chasing you on and on. But I don't care, I will let you in. You said goodbye like everything's gone. Everything that we could have been. But I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability.
All right, so it's a little bit later in the day. The duvet comforter, for whatever reason, took for freaking ever to dry because it all got clumped into a ball, and then I ran it twice without undoing the ball because I never checked on it. And so when I went to unravel the ball of duvet, it was still wet. So I had to put it in again. It is finally dry after 3 hours of drying. So we are gonna do the sushi roll method to put the duvet cover back on. If you guys are unfamiliar with this, I will show you how to do it now. It makes it so much easier to put a duvet cover back on than like trying to shove it in there. So we're gonna do that right now, get the bed all nice and made, and then we're gonna vacuum in here, and I think that's gonna end today's video. All right, so basically for the sushi roll method, you want to turn your duvet cover inside out, and then you will lay the insert on top. So I'm gonna do that really quick, and then I will come back in for the rest of the commentary.
In and out of love, never get enough. We never seem to get older. When things are going right, you seem to have the time, but when it's hard, you just grow cold up.
All right, so you want to make sure everything is lined up. All corners are lined up, and then you're basically just gonna roll it to the front until you get to the end.
We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. Fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you.
All right, so now that it is done, you're basically going to take all of your bedding and you're gonna flip it, or I guess it would be right side out. So you're just gonna flip it through, and you're gonna do that all the way down to the other side.
Shouldn't be coming back, but somehow we connect. Acting drunk even though we're sober.
All right, now that it's all zipped up, you're basically just going to unroll it. Being careful not to like pull too hard or anything.
We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. Fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you.
I think that is as made as the bed is gonna get today. If I'm being honest, I am so tired. Today has just been one of those days for me where I feel like just everything is overwhelming in a way, you know? And the kids have been off the chain today. So I am going to end the video here today. I hope that it motivated you guys and you got some inspiration or some motivation from this video. I always love doing these more vlog style, get it all done type of videos. I feel like we're connecting. And I know I've mentioned this before, but I think I am gonna try to do one of these at least once a week or some kind of vlog variation type of video. Anyway, I'm gonna end it here. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.